Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Submagic AI video subtitle generator. In this video, we will walk you through the steps you need to follow to create accurate and professional subtitles for your videos. So let's get started. The first step is to access the Submagic AI website by clicking the link provided in the description below. Once you're there, you can either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is where you can manage your subtitle projects and access various features of Submagic AI. To create a new subtitle project, click on the Create button. In the project creation page, you'll be asked to provide the video file that you want to generate subtitles for. Simply click on the Upload Video button and select the file from your computer. Now that your video is uploaded, it's time to specify the desired output format. You can choose between various subtitle formats such as SRT, VTT, and more. Select the one that suits your needs. Once you have chosen the output format, Submagic AI will start processing your video and generate the subtitles. This might take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. After the subtitles are successfully generated, you can review and edit them if needed. Submagic AI offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface for manual editing. Once you're satisfied with the subtitles, you can proceed to download them. Click on the Export button and choose the format you want. Congratulations! You have successfully generated and downloaded subtitles for your video using Submagic AI. Submagic AI makes it easy to create accurate and professional video subtitles. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or business professional, this tool will save you time and effort in the subtitle generation process. Thank you for watching.